welcome to Kingdom Products. Some of the items that we manufacture here are all kind of dry powder cement repair products, color hardeners, repair mortars, restoration materials, fast set self-levelings, underlayments, stuff for sound protection and fire protection, and waterproofing.
These guys engineer their own machines to make their products the best.
Kingdom Products Laboratory. This is the heart of where all product development starts. And what we have going on here is actually the start of a new product that's in the process of being developed.
They manufacture everything from sealers, epoxies, dyes, and much more. Distributor of their own concrete products.
Like these.
They sell mostly decorative pieces that can be sold all around the world, like this horse.
Look at all these products.
For all your concrete and texturing needs,
Come to Kingdom Products.
it's the best.